What's up everybody, Derek here, and today we are down on the creek to do a little bit of after work fishing. I've got a little lure that is one of the easiest lures that I have literally ever used before on the creek. It's a little bitty Nico caddy fly. These things are crazy. If it'll zoom in right there, it's a do-nothing lure, the do-nothing rig if you want to call it that, but it will catch fish, and all you got to do is throw it out, give it some tight line, and just let it fall on its own and do a slow reel, and you'll catch fish. So let's get to fishing. All right, that's it, guys. A 1/32 ounce jig head with a little bitty Nico caddy fly. You just toss it out and basically slowly reel it in, and you'll catch fish. Let's see exactly what we'll catch here. Oh, first cast. Got one. Just like that. That's just how easy it is. I can't see in the water or nothing. That's a good, what is that? That's a bluegill, I believe, right there. Cool, thank you, bud. Let's see. One fish already. And just keep my line tight. Slow reel, just so it's kind of moving through the water. And it's so small that fish just come up and hit it. Kind of like ice fishing. Just tossing a jig down and they pick it up, basically. Vertical fishing. This is a cool looking little spot right here. Oh, I had one right there. Got one right there. Flipping in between these trees. That's a green sunfish, looks like. Oh, that might be a red breast right there, looks like. Let go of it, buddy. Just flip it over there. Let it fall. I mean, as soon as it hit the water. Oh, a little cichlid. So we've caught a bluegill, a green sunfish, and now a cichlid. Dang. All right, we're over the top of this little hole right here, and I'm just kind of vertically jig it right here. See if anything's sitting in front of me that might hit it. Yep. Oh. Something wanted it. I don't know what it is, the appeal of this thing. Yep. Jeez. Just vertically jigging it in that little hole right there. I think there's fish all scattered down through there. And all right, I got about 2.5 foot of line out. Let's see if we can catch another one doing this. Yep. The do nothing rig. You literally got to do nothing. It's like candy for fish. Man, that's so cool. That's a pretty fish. What kind we got here? Oh goodness, look at the markings. Is that red breast? No, it's not red breast. What kind of fish is this, guys? Let me know in the comments. Let's come over here. Try it right here. Oh, something nabbed it. Oh, I had one. And they're hitting it. They're just not really. There's one. With this little bitty jig head, you can catch some small fish. You can catch some decent size. It's crazy what you can catch on these little bitty jig heads. Thanks, bud. Let's see. Right over in there. Oh, yeah. There's one right there. Oh. That's a green sunfish right there. Nice. Pretty colors on that guy. try it again, right in that same spot. Yep, same exact spot. The new nothing lure, you just toss it in there and you catch fish. Craziest thing ever. And if you were to look at that thing, there's nothing to it. All right. Oh, I'm getting hits. Getting hits. Oh, there's one right there. Gosh, these are little, tiny ones. Might go down a little bit just to see, just around the corner. Got one. Could catch these all day. This is like catfish bait right here. You set a trot line with a bunch of them. Got one right there. Ooh, that's a good one. Get on up here. Plastic on these is so awesome. I mean, look at that. You can catch so many fish on just this one lure. It's definitely worth it to have some of these. As soon as they hit the water, that one hit it. That's a red breast. Yep. All right, let's try that again. See if there's another one sitting in that same spot. God, oh, I had one right there. Just held on to it. There's another one right there. This one's got all kinds of orange on him. All right, same cast over and over again. Got another one, same spot. Didn't do a thing. The do nothing rig coming through. I don't know what this is actually called. It's just a grub, basically. Larva. Whatever you want to call it on a jig head. I think it's just a fun lure to use, especially if you're just trying to catch some fish. Well guys, it's cool to go fishing after work and catch some fish. Right in that little spot right back in there above that little waterfall is where I was just basically dropping it down with like 2.5 foot of line out and catching some. I mean, these aren't monsters or anything, but for those people that haven't really gotten into pan fishing, they can be super aggressive and fun to catch sometimes. You just never know which species you're gonna catch, and you might get into some bass. You just really never know, but it's a ton of fun. But with this little lure, it's crazy. You really don't have to try. You can kind of, I don't know, daydream or whatever, or if you even get a chance to, because you're just catching them so much. But this lure is just, there's nothing to it. I really don't work it too much and I catch fish. But anyways guys, thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.